Hey, check this out. I got some bird almonds. Maybe this pigeon will want to eat. Like, come on, meow. Eat it. Oh, there are more birds coming. Oh, there's a squirrel also. Oh, very interesting. I like his tail. He's so big. Check him out eating. Whoa, this guy's come on me. There he goes. Yeah. Okay. Eat. This is fun. I gotta break something. Oh wow, they're eating from my hand. Oh god, it's getting crowded here. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Oh, so fast he's come. Okay, sit on me. Come, oops. Okay, take that's for you. Go. There, he's eating it. Okay, these guys are getting a little inquisitive over here. A little too inquisitive. Come on, who's gonna eat this first? Come on. Yeah. Yep, you can eat it. No problem, I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh. Oh, hi squirrel. How you doing? Take. You like a nut? Yep, you can take it away, it's for you. Side view. Oh, it's quite big. What are these nibbling on? Yep, eat. So sweetly standing on two legs and eating it. It's nice. Oh, you want more? Yeah, I got one over here on me. Want to come up here? Oops, it fell down. There he's gone. It's so nice to feed them. I hope I don't gather a crowd here. But it's fun feeding them. Come on, this guy's having second thoughts. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yep. Hey. Oh, new fella. What do you want? It's in here. Look, it's in my eye. Come on, buddy. You want another one? You gotta get it. You simply don't earn it. Yep. There's a squirrel. It's mostly all squirrels and pigeons around here. Another one here, and there another one. Oh, that guy is going up. Yep, nice boy. Yeah. Do you want it? Come on. Come on. Okay, there's one guy coming here. Oh, there's another one. He's already here. Okay, I'll hide it inside my hand. Ow! Oops, another one on me. Oh, you better not get too naughty. Yep, here you go. Yep, come down. Come down. Yep. Yep, you can take one. Oh, the hang style. Take another one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, have a look at this guy. He's coming, he's coming. Yeah, come on, boy. Oh, what happened to your leg? Someone bit you? Oh, you're up there. Come on. Come on, come on. Yep. Oh, 1, 2. Come on, you can take this. Yep. You can eat that. Whoa, 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 you're scratching me. Oh, another happy squirrel. Okay, I'll give it to you down here. Alright? Yeah. Tastes good, right? Now you can go ahead and taste it all by yourself. Okay, he's gone. Any more? Any more lucky squirrels? There's one. And they're everywhere actually. Just that they cannot be seen on camera. Yeah, I'm sure one more will come by. I don't want to feed these pigeons, else it gets too crowded and I get flocked by pigeons all around. And okay, who else? Those pigeons are already forming a circle around me. There's one happy squirrel nibbling in the grass. Oh wow, he's jumping. He is jumping. And he's coming on me. Yep, what do you want, boy? Ow, ow. Yep, you can sit and eat. Yeah, you can taste it. And you can run. It's so much fun to feed these squirrels. I wish I could be here all day. It's raining. But I've got to get back as well. Maybe I can wait in for a little more while. Yep. Well, the best part about feeding them is you don't even have to bend. Oh, there's one guy who's just making his way up the cabin tree. Yep, you can go down. You can eat it. You can go run now. Go, run along. I know you will. Whoop. Yeah, are you smelling my camera? Oh, I forgot you could dirty my shirt as well. I forgot about that. crap. Man, I'm gonna look like a tree in a while. Oh, there are them chasing each other, and he's running. Run, run, run along. Okay. Okay, I got one last one. Anybody interested? Any more squirrels? Whoa, there's one on me already. Okay, that's my last one. You can go. Maybe I'll go look on some ducks now. Okay. There's one more champion over here who I can feed. My last. There you go. Come on. Good. Alright, I'm done for the day.